In this video, I'll show you how to remove multiple Facebook accounts from your device. If you've logged into several Facebook accounts on the same phone, they may appear on the login screen. Removing them helps keep your account list clean and prevents others from easily accessing those accounts. First, open the Facebook app and go to the login screen where you see the list of saved accounts. If you're currently logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines, scroll down, and tap Log Out to reach the account selection screen. Once you see the list of saved accounts, look for the three dots or the Manage Accounts option. Tap on it to open the Account Management section. Now you'll see all the accounts that are saved on your device. Next to each account, there will be a Remove option. Tap Remove on the accounts you want to delete from the device. Confirm the action, and the selected accounts will be removed from the login screen. This does not delete the Facebook accounts themselves, it only removes them from your device. And that's it. That's how you can remove multiple Facebook accounts easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.